Saguaro, beautiful lake here in Arizona. Nice thing about now is it's a little bit clearer. It's going to be cold, so we're wearing 7mm wetsuits, but we can at least see. All right, I've got Dan, Taylor, and Ethan diving with me today. How you guys doing?
Doing good.
Good,
Awesome.
excited.
What are you guys looking to find?
Fish, schools of fish, hopefully.
All right, find some sunglasses.
Good pair of Oakleys, maybe. We'll
There you
see.
go.
Nice.
Cool. All right, we'll see what we can do. Did you catch anything yet? Any bites? All right, you guys ready? All right, what do you guys think? Good dive?
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Awesome, awesome. That was fun. I was hoping it was going to be a little bit more clear than it actually was, but what do you say? We had about 5 feet visibility.
Yeah.
It's pretty nasty.
Picked up.
Pretty nasty, but I mean, it was fun. So we got we did find some things, right? So got these little sunglasses here, no namers, bag full of just trash, right? A lot of trash. Good that we were able to clean that up, but did find this nice paddle. So that's the second one I found down here. So see, kind of cool. All right, let's get rid of this trash, right? Keep the earth green.
There we go.